All right, everyone. We're going to wait a couple minutes. We're a little early. We're going to let people join in here slowly. Hope everybody has their drinks ready, because we do. So bear with us for a couple minutes. We got 4 more minutes until
ready to go live.
Until people start joining. Thank you, Robert, joining in. We got a wave from Iran. We'll wave back. How you doing tonight? Ooh, Brandon. Oh, we got Brandon back. He was here last week with us. Not last week, it was Friday. It was Friday, right, Brandon? Yeah, wave, baby. We have 3 more minutes.
Cheers,
Cheers.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers, everyone.
Ladies and gentlemen.
We got the little one here, ready to break with us. Eating your Go-Gurt. Say hi, Remy. Cobbs, Cards. Waving back. Thanks for joining. Knoxville. That's right.
We'll be back in a couple minutes.
Got to be consistent, Brandon. You know what I mean? What's your drink tonight? I'm going to put the phone down here for a second as we get ready here. Okay? You guys can just watch what we're breaking here. Just so you see, we're breaking this tonight, and we'll go through that later. But let's just get this phone down just for a second. Yeah, that was Friday night, Robert. We remember you. Yeah, I didn't see your name on the list tonight for the break. Oh, we got Cobbs drinking a beer. What's your choice? IPAs, stouts, lagers. Josh, thanks for making that drawing, buddy. That's really nice. You did a really good job. Oh, T. Lutz, way back. He's a consistent guy. He's been in all our breaks almost. He has been at all our breaks.
I think so.
Thanks for the loyalty.
We should have a loyalty members club.
Yeah, every 10 joins and waves, 10 waves, we'll give you a free card. How about that? Okay, tell me a card. Coors Light. So you must have started early, have a long night. Shake the room with some waves, some calves. Took me 2.5 hours. Yeah. That was a nice drawing, I imagine. Oh, this is Tommy's third. Next football break, Robert will be on Tuesday, and we'll go through that in a little bit. You can start bidding now on eBay. Same name. Tommy wants a LeBron. Wave, card wrangler. Wave to Tosh.
This is for Tommy.
Toshi's joined a couple of us too. We'll wave. All right. It's 6:30. We're live. So I'm going to take this phone off again. Just to let you guys know, welcome to 805. SB 805 cards. Okay, this is what we're breaking tonight. For those of you who are joining, we got 2 optic mega boxes. 1 mosaic blaster and cello. So that you guys know what's coming up. Tuesday we're going to be breaking 4 elites. I know you see those Zions there. We're just showing them off. They're not part of the break. Don't get excited. Just 4 elite football boxes. Tuesday will be football. Friday will be football, but we're just throwing this in there. This will be Thursday. We're breaking some baseball and some football for fun. This will be Friday where we break some luminance and some elite. Some more boxes. And then Sunday we'll be having 2 breaks for basketball. Sunday will be our basketball day. We'll be breaking three mosaic blasters and a quartz key. The new fire. All right. We're going to get started here. Everybody should be in now at this point. Sorry for the... Okay. Everybody see here. Let's go. Let's pull some fire.
All right.
Love ready. What shall we start with?
We gotta start with the pack.
We're gonna start with the pack.
What do we think, guys? Pack? Pack it is?
Cello, cello, cello.
Why is it cello when there's no H?
I don't know.
I don't get it. Did people just make that up and start saying calling it that?
Dennis Schroeder.
Bass.
Taj Gibson. Terrence Ross.
I need some Clippers and some Blazers hits.
Scott.
Prism, Scottie Pippen, USA.
There you go.
Oh, we got an
Green
insert.
Clippers are nice.
James Harden, Will to Win. It's a nice one. And a Kobe White rookie.
Oh, let's leave that.
Gonna sleeve that right away.
It's a good pull. Right off the
All
bat,
right,
we
that's
hit
a
Michael
nice
with the
one.
Chicago Bulls Kobe White rookie card. Laura, show up. Let's wave at Laura. Thanks for joining, Laura.
Scotty's pretty nice green prism.
Ooh, there we go.
Scotty goes to Chicago too.
He does go to Chicago.
There we go.
There it is.
We'll put that one up. That's a nice first hit. Kobe White.
No, take the Scotty.
All right, Aaron Baines, starting with the second pack. Ooh, we got a nice silver in the back. DiVincenzo,
Oh, poor
Jaren Jackson Jr., Bojan, and the silver is Jaren Jackson Jr. Let's leave it.
Leave that up.
Ooh, and a Steph Curry MVP in the back.
Let's leave that up.
Nice hits in the first
Nice
two
hits.
packs.
Got Phil with the little
Nice
Jaren Jackson
hits.
rookie card, silver prism.
Oh, no rookie. Second year.
Sorry,
Second year.
You're right. My bad.
Still a dope hit. Nice hit for the Grizzlies.
That's right. Jaren Jackson did have a. He was supposed to have his blowout year. He was supposed to come out.
Alright, sleeve that.
All right, here we go with the pink prisms.
Stuff is the Warriors a contender still?
Now with the pink pack.
Boston time. Looking for that Tatum.
Got a Kuzma.
Taco Fall.
Ooh, he's having a nice Thomas Bryant.
It's another good come up card.
And Cody Martin rookie. Hornets ain't competing this year. They'll have another chance next year.
Got some young good.
Kuzma
talent.
nice though. You're gonna sleeve that one too.
PJ Washington,
Alrighty.
Miles Bridges, Terry Rozier, Devontae Graham.
Alright,
Tony
since
Martin.
we're doing mosaics, let's stick to mosaics.
Show them that card we pulled from the Blasters today.
Alright.
Just that you.
Show them that in the back.
Here's our hit so far. Oh,
No, in the back.
this is what we pulled so far.
That was from a blaster.
This is one of our first blasters that we got just a couple months ago. It's a nice
There's 25 of them.
2 of 25.
Could
Ooh,
be in
that's
these
a beauty.
box.
Let's get 3 of 25.
Ooh. All right. Let's get this one going. Season is fire right now. Oh, Luka's looking to be real bad. Real bad. Oh, can't wait for the playoffs. All right, first pack of the blaster. Andrew Wiggins,
Warriors now.
Austin Rivers. Ooh, Giannis, will to win.
Giannis.
And a Brandon Clark NBA debut. That is a nice one. We're going to sleeve all that.
Why are people not talking about Giannis? Like he's not.
Giannis,
You know,
guaranteed MVP this year.
I agree.
Guaranteed.
100% agree. There's no way he's not MVP.
Brandon Clark. Looks nice. All right, next pack. All righty. Jabari Parker. Brooke Lopez. Kevin Huerter Prism. It's a pretty one. I'll sleeve that. And a Nicholas Claxton rookie. Nice. Let's get those inside.
Kurt with the pull.
Ooh.
Kurt tonight is really going for that RJ Barrett though.
Nets are here to upset some people in the bubble. It's kind of been a little nutty in there, a little chaotic.
Get out of here.
What are you talking about? They just won the other night. Who'd they beat? The Clippers?
They can do whatever they want. They're still not doing anything.
I
I'm
don't
not
think
worried about it.
It was some contender. They're in the playoffs. They're 7th seed right now. Devontae Graham. Dennis Schroeder.
I like Devontae. That's your guy right there, Dave.
Allen Iverson, old school.
White Iverson right here.
Who's the rookie? Ryu.
Rui.
Rui.
There we go.
Rui.
I always say Ryu. Rui.
Josh, don't worry about it. We'll take care of you. Don't worry about it. We got you.
What's Josh saying there?
Josh wants to know what we said about that 10th join.
Oh, Anthony likes to talk. He's giving away some of his PC all the time.
All the
So
time. I like to show the love.
get 10 waves, you get part of Anthony's collection. That's always what it is. He's easy. He's easy. Marvin Bagley.
That's a young stud right there.
Taj.
Not Taj.
Green Prism. Daniel House Jr.
What about them Rockets playing just oddball?
Yeah, they're gonna upset somebody. Ooh.
Is that silver?
Alexander Walker. Nope, no silver. Regular rookie. But that's nice. I think he's gonna be a staple in their
That's
system.
Shea Gilgeous' cousin right there.
Eric with the rookie. New Orleans.
Alrighty.
Let's get New Orleans some more cars.
Markieff Morris.
Name the
Aaron Baines,
team.
Suns. All right, I'll name the teams. Y'all know. Zach LaVine, Bulls. That's a nice little hit there. He's a nice little guy. He's going to have a good career. And Karl Malone, Team USA.
You put Malone with the Lakers, all right? Or the most favorable? Did you post that? Is he a Jazz or the Lakers? He ended the Lakers. It's a good question. We have to go back.
That
to
is
our
a very good
description.
question.
Jazz.
What do you guys think out there? What do you think we should do? Jazz or Lakers? Last team or most popular team?
Get out of here.
Trying to get that Laker level.
That's a Jazz USA card. He was on the Jazz. That's the Jazz. Alrighty.
Stir it up a little bit. Let's get some conversation.
Draymond, $50,000 fine the other day for tampering. He wants Devin Booker on his team. Dante, he's having a nice little season.
I like Dante.
And, Rui, Green Prism. That's a nice pull.
Oh, yeah.
That's real nice. That's real nice. And a Kevin Porter Jr. rookie.
Wow.
Ooh, we're going to see both of these guys right now.
Cavs. Going out to,
Alright.
to T. Lutz over there. We got him in the Cavs. He finally joined. He finally bid on something.
All right. Washington Wizards, Rui. Got to get these in the sleeve.
D-Hop, 11 cards joining.
All
Thanks for
right.
joining.
Going to Washington. Kevin Porter, that's a Cavs hit. Cavs go pretty good in these breaks, I feel like. There's a lot of sleepers because LeBron, a lot of Cavs jersey LeBrons in these. We got Garland and Porter, too, for the Cavs. Sleeper hit. All right, we got a Dwight. Lakers. Tobias Harris, Philly. He's going to have a bigger season now. Ben Simmons out.
He has to step it up.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. That's a Prism, Trae Young. It's a green Prism. That's very nice. And a Larry Hall of Fame.
Legend.
All right. Let's get that one in there.
Josh, you would have bid. You would have got that Trey Young. That's your team, Josh. Tommy says, "Don't give my secrets away." He doesn't want people to remember that LeBron played for the Cavs. He gets cheaper Cavs bids.
Damn, if Trey was in the bubble right now, people would be talking a lot more about him. He's just sleeping right now, waiting for next season.
Yeah, get him while he's cheap.
All right, last pack.
Get him while he's cheap.
Last pack in this mosaic blaster.
Let's go.
Let's get that Zion or that Ja. We're waiting for one of these big hitters.
RJ.
There's that auto added name.
All right. Derek White.
Spurs.
Ooh, got a card back there. This is Thomas Sadaransky, Bulls. OG, Toronto. Oh,
So that, I like OG.
OG. Toronto's going to be a sleeper. They might make the finals. Not going to lie. And you got a Keldon Johnson rookie. We're going to sleep both of those guys.
Toronto, you can get cheap in breaks right now.
All right, there's another hit for the Spurs. So far, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. But let's get into these optics. Let's pull a real big
Here we
hitter.
go.
I'm
Here we go.
ready for a big hitter.
I like the optics. You guys like Prism? I know it's expensive, but I'm an optics fan.
All right.
I'll tell you that right now.
All right. Let's get in this. All right. I'm gonna save that pink pack for last. Save those pink packs for last. First optic. These are pretty cards. Otto Porter, Bulls. Oh, I see a silver. Kelly Olynyk, Heat.
My daughter's talking over here, guys.
Isaiah Thomas, Silver Lane Express. Express Lane, sorry. Silver Express Lane. That goes to the Pistons. That's a nice prism. Yeah, that's a prism, Isaiah. And a Tyler Hero rookie. Very nice for the Heat. Rated rookie. Tyler Hero Heat. There we go. That's one of the rookies we want to see in these boxes. There you go. Tyler Hero. Very nice.
Robert, are you a
Just
Detroit
gotta put that
fan?
on.
Robert, you here? You got Isaiah Thomas. I want to know your feedback on the 80s Pistons, the bad boys,
Yeah, how'd you like him in that Bulls doc?
the Jordan dog. Not a Bulls dog.
Yep. It's called The Last Dance, Anthony. You ever heard of basketball? Team sport.
But who paid for it? And who did it limelight? It's
Jordan. Yeah. Of course. Of course. All right, next pack. This guy. All right. Let's get a big one. Let's get another nice rookie like that. That was a good hero. That was a good first pack.
Josh wants to know
Alrighty.
who owns the Hawks in here. Josh?
Jalen
Matthias.
Green, Rockets. Dwight Powell, Dallas Mavericks. And a Giannis, T minus. Woo, that's fun. That's fun. And who's the rookie? Oh, no rookie. Steven Adams, Thunder.
Eric with the Giannis hit. Another one.
Alrighty.
Josh
That's-
is asking Matthias, can he have that Trey Young?
That's a nice question. Let's see what happens.
Matthias, let him know what it's for.
Alrighty. Oh, well, spoiler alert. Zion.
Oh,
We
we
got
did
one.
a Zai.
We got one. Should we
Zion. We're just going to put that in right now.
Let's just show him now.
Nice.
There's a hit. That's what we want to
Nice.
see.
Just leave that
That's
up.
what we want to see.
Top load that up.
There we go.
Just wave to some people. Got some new joints.
There we go. Put that in a
Go
nice
ahead,
top.
Eric got a few
Nice
teams
hit.
here.
Zion. Who's got
Eric got a
Pelicans
few
right
teams.
now?
That's
Eric?
Got a few teams here. He's got
Dang,
Rui with
that's
Washington.
nice.
He's got that Derek White. Spurs. He's got some good pulls. Good job, Eric.
There you go. There you go. That's a hit. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, all right, we didn't even go into that pack. I opened it up backwards, so we got to go see what else we got. We got Donovan Mitchell. Donovan Mitchell. I promise I know who he is. And Jason Kidd, Express Lane.
You're not going to hear the end of it.
Oh, man. Donovan Mitchell. That was a new one. And a Nikola Vujicic that we have left in the pack.
Orlando.
Magic.
Orlando from Jessica.
All right, next pack. So far we got a Tyler Hero rookie and a Zion rookie and a lot of packs to go in this optic box. That was nice.
Rui.
Got Rui's, got a couple Rui's so far.
Haven't hit a jaw yet.
All right.
Or LeBron. Or Doncic yet.
Terry Rozier. Marcus Smart. Boston. Ooh, Kobe White, my house. This has been a nice box so far. And a Cameron Johnson rated rookie.
He's hot right now.
Ooh, let's
Go ahead, Michael.
get these in sleeves. This has been a
Cameron
nice
Johnson.
box. Ooh, that's nice. Suns might make the playoffs. They are, I think it's 5-0 at this point. Back in the bubble, and it's going to be real fun if they do. Pelicans, they out this season, but that'll be nice. Finally see Suns back in there since Steve Nash. And Cameron Johnson, there he is. It's nice. All right, next pack. Hot box so far. Hot box so far. Keep it coming.
Got one more.
Hassan Whiteside, Blazers. Ooh, Kyle Lowry, Silver, Prism, Express Lane. That's nice. We're going to sleeve that. And a Will Barton, Silver.
Silver.
2 silvers in 1 pack. And a Kevin Durant, Nets. Not a bad pack.
Not a bad pack.
Not a bad
Don't sleep on
pack.
Toronto.
Don't sleep on these
Lowry.
guys.
Van Vliet, Lowry together.
JB. He going to be back next season. People sleeping on him already. The guy is a top 3 player in the league. Will Barton Nuggets. Lowry. Prism. Nice pack. 2 prisms, 2 silvers, and 1 pack. 2 hollows. I call them all silvers. I know they're hollows.
Lowry's underrated.
Toronto.
All
They
right.
can still repeat.
DJ Augustine. Yeah, Toronto's got a shot. Orlando. Kevin Knox. New York.
Sleeper next year.
There's a LeBron.
You got one? In the Lakers
Fantasy
one?
Stars. Nice hit. And a jaw.
There we go.
And a jaw.
You got a job.
Oh, we are sleeving
Kansas
tonight.
Slayer.
This
Kansas
is
top
a
loader.
hot box. This is a hot box.
A new term for hot boxing.
Hot box. First we hot box, then we pull the hot box. Ooh, Ja and Zion and Tyler Hero. What a box. Rui. Thank you.
Some LeBron,
Can't forget the Rui.
Some Trey.
Dang.
Some Giannis. We see Luka now.
We need Luka.
Let's get a sleeve for the
Michael
LeBron
Porter
now.
This is why you play the game.
Now this is what a good break looks like. This is a hot break.
We still have a whole box left and the optics.
Damn, we still got a couple
And the
packs left
prisms.
in this one.
Jeez.
It's a nice LeBron.
It's nice. I haven't seen that one before.
And it's for the Lakers. LeBron Lakers, not Cavs, Tommy. Don't get excited. Alrighty. Justice Winslow, Miami Heat. Hope he gets healthy soon. Eric Gordon, Houston, sniper. Isaiah Roby, rated rookie silver. That's nice. And that's Dallas. I'm going to sleeve that in case I end to DeJounte Murray.
Sorry, fellas, for
Sorry
the
about
break.
that.
Technical difficulties.
Phone fell asleep. Isaiah Roby, Prism.
Maybe we should start waving more. Touch the screen.
That's actually some pretty nice centering. That'd be pretty good, I think. 9.5 or 10 if you get that graded.
Who's that?
Isaiah.
Really?
Yeah. Alrighty, I'm gonna let him case that up over there. One more regular pack out of this optic. Oh, and then we're gonna show off our hits from this box. This box has been pretty ridiculous, actually.
Craig, do you own the Hawks? Josh, it's Matthias owns the Hawks. Craig owns the Raptors.
CJ McCollum, Portland. Oh God, I hope they make the playoffs. Whoa, Giannis Silver Hollow, my house. God, this has been a hot box. Wow. Wow, I'm gonna put that away.
Kobe.
Oh, shoot. Okay.
Lakers.
Gonna lay that down real
Lakers.
gently.
Shannon,
What?
That's for sale, let me know.
Box.
that's my boy.
Guys, this is what a Sunday night rip is all about. Giannis Prism. That's a fancy card. Giannis, the Bucks are hitting tonight. The Bucks are hitting
Well,
tonight.
really, Giannis is hitting tonight. He just was that his third card already?
Fourth?
Fourth card already?
Maybe, I don't know.
I don't like to push down on the cards at the top. If you noticed, I want to keep it nice and clean for y'all. Ooh, and now we got back to the pack. All right, got that Kobe. Winner stays. That's nice. The Mamba. Love that they keep making some of these cards.
And move this LeBron card out of the way at the top and put Kobe right there at the top.
Everybody was busy buying everybody's rookies. They almost forgot about the Mamba. Now his rookie cards are going through the roof. He's going to top load that. Oh, and the man on the box. The man on the box. Kyrie. Brooklyn Nets.
That's pulling some hitters.
They pulling some hitters, but next year they could play. Let's just see if they can stay on the court. All right, we're pink pack time. Ooh, this could be some heavy stuff in here. This could be some heavy stuff in here. Right after this pack, I'm gonna show you guys the big hits out of this box. All righty. Alonzo Trier. We're going to sleeve all these pinks. Don't worry.
Hey, that's nice.
Klay Thompson. Golden State Warriors. Tobias Harris.
He's got to step it up.
Philly. You going to step up. He's going to step up.
It's a must.
Bol rated
Oh,
rookie.
nice, one.
Some say he's a
Nice,
unicorn. Ooh, very nice centering too. Very nice. And an Isaiah Thomas, Washington Wizards. But let's
Nice
get that
Bol
Bol and a
Bol
top
hit.
loader.
Who's got Denver?
This guy was a top 5 prospect. If it wasn't for injuries, he would have been for sure top 10, top 5 pick. As you can see from his play this season.
Cobb's.
Bol
Cobb's
Bol.
card got a sleeper on that one.
That's a nice pick. Denver's got a nice young team. Denver's going to be in the window for many years. Jokic, Bol, MPJ, Jamal Murray. I already said Jokic, but yeah. All right, one more pink pack. Wow, we've been getting good rookies.
Keep it coming, Dave.
Good rookies. Ooh, I saw the back one.
Let's get a Chumo Kiki.
Alex Len, Atlanta Hawks. You got Rudy Gobert. Some people say he started coronavirus, but they would be joking. Utah Jazz. All right, PJ Washington, rated rookie. Hornets, that's nice. PJ's nice. PJ's nice. Woo, we're going to sleeve that one right there. Damari Carroll. I thought that was some kind of hollow trickery. That's just a normal Damari Carroll. And a Goga, rated rookie. Let's leave that. Utah Jazz.
That is hollow.
All right. Goga. Let's leave it PJ.
That's not normal.
Yeah, that's not normal at all. Check it out. I'm going to put this down here then.
PJ. All right. Before we rip into the next box, let me just show off some of these hitters, guys. This has been real nice. We need to bring some of this in here right here. Got the Bowl.
We got the Kobe.
Oh.
We got the Jaw.
Tyler
What
Hero.
are these called?
We got the Zion.
See if any of our watchers know what this is.
Zion rookie.
Put that down right there.
We got this one.
Those are normal cards.
But we're gonna have to take this down.
And LeBron. Yeah, I'm gonna take this down. I'm gonna show you guys these heavy hitters, then I'm gonna take all this back. Trey, Prism. Ooh, where'd he go? Another Kobe White. We got the My House. Hollow, Giannis. The My House, Kobe White. And we're good. Let's go to the next one. Last box.
Okay, guys. Last box. Just for tradition, let's keep last box with a little cheers. Would you drink? Cheers with your drink. Salute.
Oh. Pink packs. Those are for last. Let's save these right here. All right. Ripping into the last. Wow. It's going to be tough to beat that last box, but I have a good feeling.
What's in here?
I got a good feeling. Let's keep going with this hot streak. I mean, this has been our second big basketball break. So far, it's been a nice time. Bulls, Otto Porter Jr. And starting with a nice hollow Prism Kawhi Leonard. Winner stays. Spurs, though. Not Clippers, Spurs Kawhi. Ooh, with the nice Jason Kidd coming up. I'm going to get this sleeve, though, first. Yeah, Finals MVP with the Spurs. Finals MVP with the Raptors. What do you think he's going to be with the Clippers?
One more to eat.
That's nice.
You want?
Prism. Finishing the pack. We got Jason. That's just Anthony crying in the background, if anybody's wondering. Happens all the time. Jason Kidd, Express Lane. Sleeve that up. And a Nasir Little. Blazers. God, I hope the Blazers make the playoffs. I need to see some Dame time this playoffs. Give me Dame time.
You just want to see him against the Lakers.
Yeah, I do. There we go. Nasir Little. Next pack. It's been fire so far, guys. These have been nice. All right, Rudy Gobert, Utah Jazz. Oh, I think I see another Prism back there. Hassan Whiteside, Portland Trailblazers. Ooh, a nice insert. Karl Anthony Towns, T-. That's the T-Wolves.
I forgot about, but I like that.
T-Wolves got a deal this round. And a Jordan Clarkson, Cleveland Cavaliers. I'm going to sleeve this cat. Oh, that's nice. Oh, and it's a Prism, actually. I thought so. It looked hollow. That's a Prism. I'll show you the back. So that's not even a base T-. Good hit for the T-Wolves. Prism. All right, next optic. Keep the hot streak. Thank you, Joe. Alrighty. DJ Augustine, Magic. There's one for Orlando. Ooh, another John Stockton Express Lane. This time it's the hollow version. So hope you got a nice Utah Jazz fan on our hands. And a Jokic hollow prism.
Nice.
Oh, we've been picking up a lot of these little double prisms in packs. That's nice.
Cobb's card know who he was doing. He's a collector himself. He knows what's up. He knows.
I hope we got a big Utah Jazz fan because you've hit some good cards in this one. Got some Mitchells, a couple John Stocktons.
We got Cobb's cards in here.
There we go.
I want to see what
Prism.
his collection's like.
Gonna get that Jokic in there. Oh. Prism. A lot of Prism pulls. This guy, sleeper MVP. This guy's a top 5 guy coming for the next 5 to 10 years.
Crazy we don't talk about him.
Jokic.
Yeah.
Crazy people.
And a rated rookie. Quindary Weatherspoon. Spurs. Another Spurs hit. 2 in a row. Got that. Kawhi, and then this one. All right, rookie. Next pack.
Working on the weekend.
Empty packs. All right, next pack. We got, let's see, 5 of these and 2 more pink packs. So a lot more to come, and we've already got a lot of hits.
Man, Spurs got a lot of rookies.
Kevin Knox, another Kevin Knox, New York Knicks. Justice Winslow, Miami Heat. Another Jokic, Nuggets. He's lost, easily lost to 20 pounds since this photo was taken. Oh, my goodness. Look at that chunky. And a Jeremy Lamb, Indiana Pacers. But let's leave this chunky Jokic.
That's gonna be vintage.
Don't get me wrong, this guy's one of my favorite players, but
Chunky
you gotta
Jokic, you're not gonna see him for very long.
call a spade a spade. This guy is chunky. Was chunky. He got into shape for the bubble. Nice.
He's trying to be nice.
Alrighty. Next one. Give me more stars. Who hasn't hit something yet? Who's looking for a big hit on their team? Who is looking for a hit?
Greg said I'm broke. I'm trying to be nice to you. Josh.
What's going on in there in the comments? Okay, Donovan Mitchell, Utah Jazz. CJ McCollum, Portland, Trailblazers. Oh, another LeBron
Stars.
Fantasy Stars. That's 2. That is 2.
What team?
Not bad. Lakers LeBron. Thank you, Lakers LeBron.
But is he a Laker, though?
And Devin Booker's sons. We're going to sleeve both of those guys.
Fans out there. Is LeBron a Laker?
Is Anthony a
Is he
hater?
a Laker?
Anthony's a hater.
Or is he a Cav? Let's be serious.
If you ask me, he's a Miami Heat. That was my squad.
Wow. He did win 2 of them. He has to still win 2 with the Lakers.
And I got that other one with Wade. Another Fantasy Stars. I'm going to get this top loaded in a minute.
Hardcore said me. Me what? Did I miss something?
Devin Booker.
Blazers and Clippers.
5-0 so far. Fire. Draymond Green already recruiting this guy. All right. Next pack. 3 more left. Let's get this going. Give me a fire card. Oop. 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 I see something. I'm not going to say it. Dwight Powell, Dallas Mavericks. Terry Rozier, Hornets.
Scary
And
Terry.
another
Kobe.
Kobe. Kobe is with us tonight and always.
You just say
Kobe for the Lakers. Who else?
that up.
We can get that sleeved over here. And a Cam Reddish rated rookie.
Cam Reddish, another rookie that's not spoken of much.
All right, we got that Kobe. Nice one.
Okay, Shannon, you got two of the same card that Kobe. I would expect a little tip here tonight. Maybe just let me keep one.
Again, don't ever listen to Anthony. Life rule number 1. Optic, 2-pack left.
Who are we hating on?
Kelly Olynyk, Miami Heat, retro jersey. Gerald Green, Rockets. There it is.
Luka, nice.
Luka. Ooh, purple prism Luka. That is a fire hit.
Yeah.
That is a fire
Instant
hit.
top loader.
Instant. And an Andrew Wiggins, which I'm going to put aside to take care of this Luka. All right, that is a fire hit. That is nice. This is something we've been waiting for. See? Prism. Purple prism. Ooh. That might be the hit of the box so far.
Craig, what's going on here? Please stop talking to me. Craig, just to let you know, Josh is a 15-year-old man, young man. He just wants to draw cartoons. He just wants to draw cartoons. He's a good kid.
All right, back to cards.
Back to cards it is.
And
I'll put that right there. There it goes.
one more regular pack of Optic. God, these 2 boxes have been fire. This has been a really, really hot couple boxes. All right, Eric Gordon, Houston Rockets. Ooh, there's a silver. Who's going to be it? Nikola Vujic, Orlando Magic. Sabonis, my Lithuanian brother. Domantas Sabonis. I'm telling you, this guy is an all-star, as you already knew. And Ty Jerome rookie. He's going to be making noise. I hope he comes back safe from that injury. Nice and healthy for us. That's a pretty
We
card.
got a wave. We got 2 waves here. I haven't waved back yet.
Sabonis. Prism. We still got 2 pink packs.
Still
Got a
2
pink
pink
bowl
packs.
bowl in the last one.
Positive vibes only.
All right. Boom. Ty Jerome rookie. 2 pink packs left. Okay.
Let's do it.
Let's make it hot. Let's make it hot. Ooh, hot, hot, hot pink, hot pink. This was Tommy's suggestion. He asked me to make it hot for him. He's going for LeBron Cavs right now.
Where are the Rockets at tonight? I haven't seen the Rocket.
Not too
Very
many.
Have we?
We got some James Hardens and some.
All right. JJ Redick,
They're the largest group.
New Orleans
I got
Pelicans.
some Rockets.
Goran Dragic, Miami Heat. Lou, 6-man Lou, went off for some chicken wings and some other things. Clippers. Andre Drummond, Detroit Pistons. Oh, that's not bad. DeAndre Hunter, Hawks. We're penny sleeving all this stuff on the side. Got my little Santa's helpers over there. I'm going to put DeAndre Hunter in there right now. And we are on to one more pack. Went by real fast, Josh, but it was real fun. Premium pulls. What's up? Welcome to the party. It's the end of the party, but it's better late than never. We'll show our hits right after we complete these boxes. So don't go away. James Harden, Houston Rockets. So we were just talking about getting some Rocket cards. That's nice to see. That's nice to see. I'm going to penny sleeve that. Tim Hardaway Jr., Dallas Mavs. Danilo Gallinari, the Thunder. Thunder are balling this year. Honestly, coach of the year possibly.
SGA.
Chris Paul, first or second team All-NBA, telling you. Keldon Johnson, rated rookie, San Antonio Spurs. And a Shabazz Napier, Minnesota Timberwolves. Penny sleeving all the prisms today and always. And that is the conclusion of our break, but hang out with us real quick. You know, we're going to show you all the hits before you go.
Some feedback.
Get some feedback if you guys thinking anything. Just write it in the comments.
All right, fellas. Thanks for joining in. Look at all the cards, all the hits we pulled tonight. This is first level. Then we got our Jaw, our Hero, our Zion, our LeBron, our Trey. Where did that Doncic go? Man, that's my boy over there. We got some Giannis, some Kobe White. Man, some Kobe's. Remember, Shannon, if you want to get rid of one, let me know.
Did anyone not hit?
Bobo. We got some good cards here tonight, fellas.
Anyone
On
not
the
hit?
way back.
Let
Okay,
us
we'll be
know if
live.
you did not hit a card. Send us a message.
We'll know. We'll be sending you stuff regardless. Everybody's a winner. All right, we'll be sending out some cards for those who didn't hit a team. But I think everybody hit a team tonight. So, again, Tuesday night, Elite, four box hobby boxes. Okay, join us there. Check us out on eBay, SB 805 cards. We'll be here Tuesday night, same place, same time. Have a good night.